See you, John.
Good gracious! I do believe it's Bertie BAFTA. Haven't seen you in yonks, dear boy.
By Jove, who'd have thought it? If it isn't old Ollie Oscar. 1st Battalion, Royal Ops and Props, if my memory serves me well.
Retired now, I have you know.
Heard you took a direct hit at Cannes.
Damn, Jerry. Got shot in the dark. Couldn't see a thing, old boy. Had to resort to those wretched glasses. 3D and all that. Modern technology. Not like it was in our day, eh, Bertie?
A commendation, though, I hear. Even got to see your name in dispatches.
Dash it all in a day's shoot, you know. Why don't you come and join me for a drink here?
Oh, thank you.
I say, Sundance, or whatever your name is.
Sir?
I'll have a pint of trophy, please, and one for the Major here.
Thank you.
Silver or gold, sir?
Why, gold, of course. Must keep the standard high, you know. What?
Yes, yeah, a good show, yes.
Quite right, sir.
In that case, make mine a pint of Fering's Best. Here it's only on tap once a year.
Jug or glass, sir?
Oh no, I prefer the Fering Cup.
I'm sorry, sir. The Ferring Cup is not at its best at the moment. Judge for yourself.
Bottoms up.
Why not try a pint of challenge, sir? Straight from our Chichester brewery. Can't beat it, you know. Best drop a bit of this side of the Downs.
Are you sure? Last chappie I know who tried it got knocked out.
No competition, they say. Only for the foolhardy.
Yeah, perhaps you're right. In that case, I'll have one of your hot shorts instead.
Will that be a 1 minute hottie or a 2 minute one?
Not bothered so long as it's a winner. Oh, by the way, old chap, are you entering the summer shoot this year? Real corker of a year last year, gung-ho and all that. Lucky to get home with me shield intact.
Lucky, you say? I entered the treasure hunt, hoping to strike it rich. Didn't even get a certificate for participating, would you believe? Not the kind of bonus I was expecting.
Poor old Basil. Have you heard the news? Gone down with celiac disease, you know.
Oh dear, when was this?
Last month. Yeah, hasn't been out of the house since. Yeah, hiding behind his green screen.
What a shame, and such a jolly good fellow. Do you know what the symptoms are?
Yeah, filming at the mouth, they say.
Oh dear, I hope I don't go down with anything.
What makes you say that?
Popped round to see his wife last week, as you do. She never said anything. Mind you, we were a bit preoccupied.
Did you give her anything?
Only a bunch of lilies.
Not the Guernsey variety.
Why, yes.
Oh dear. Source of infection. Closing it down for a year or two. Yeah. Sending all new conscripts to the Sussex, they say.
Guaranteed a proper screening there, I would expect.
That's right.
Fine crew if nothing else.
I say, barman, hurry up with my totty.
Sir?
I'd say, why don't we go down to the Albany? Better club altogether. Reminds me of Raffles and Singer's old boy. Ordered 5 stars, you know.
Yeah, jolly show then. Chocks away and all that, what?
Say, barman,
Sir?
a word in your ear.
Yes, sir?
Service here below par. Not like it used to be, you know.
I've only got one thing to say to you then, sir.
And what's that?
Be off with you!